How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be smashing some nice seats in this bad boy, in the Civic Coupe. We're not going to lot to this car if you're new to the channel. All we've done so far is put a big brake kit on it, 6-pot calipers, floating discs, 2-piece discs, what you want to call them, and that's it. A couple of little bits inside done to it, but other than that it's pretty stock. It should be a relatively straightforward job. Well, technically speaking, it should be 4 bolts, 2 at the front, 2 at the back. Put in the Type R seats that I bought for it. I'll show you what they're like. If you've probably seen them before, if you're an OG in the channel, and I've sneak peeked them in other videos. But yeah, let's go get them. Okay, these are the bad boys we bought. Anyway, EP3 ones. I mean, they're not mint, but they're cheap as hell. You can pick them up for like 200, 150 quid, 200 pounds. So that's why I grabbed these. In the end though, once I'd bought them, I wish I bought the FN2 ones, which are slightly different. They look pretty much the same, apart from they got like a longer hole bit, you know, for like harnesses, which we're not having harnesses, I don't think, anyway. But these are still good, better than those crusty grey things we got in there. But we don't need that one first, we need the passenger one, which is in here. So let's get that. So yeah, here they are, boys. I mean, they're gonna need a good old clean, but other than that, there's no rips in them or nothing. So they will look really nice, I think, in the Civic, because it's not tinted or anything. You can see all the seats, you know, from the outside. And all you see is those grey Grandad seats with the red little carpets we got in that as well, and the door cards. It all match. Red gear knob, red gear handbrake handle. Maybe we should do the big brake kit red. I did think about it, but I don't know. We'll worry about that later. Let's get these seats out. Like I said, it should be sweet simple. I don't think they'll bolt straight in, because it would be too easy that way, wouldn't it? It's me. Okay, seems like we need to swap some of the mounting brackets over rather than the rails. I think that'd be easier, because these are basically, they're not bolted on, they're riveted on. If I drill these rivets out, yeah, and then take these, do the same on these, drill these out, drill that one out, swap it all over to them, and I believe it should work. I mean, it looks a little similar, but not quite. Yeah, let's have a little drill of some rivets, see what happens. Okay, my guys, we're taking it into the shed because we need the angle grinder basically to chop all of these welds all the way around it. And you got 2 welds, 1 on each side, and then that should come off because we got the rivet out. Same all around basically. Cut all the welds, and then swap the brackets over basically. I'm not going to weld the other brackets on, you know, the old brackets off the other seats onto this until we've test fitted it. I'm going to nut and bolt it so they're all loose, line it up on the car, tighten the bolts up, then we're good. Then I can weld it all after. Yeah, let's do it. We got the chopping device. Test it works. Oh, he works. Let's chop these bad boys off. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? One down. I'm not going to record it all because you guys have seen things being cut before. Yeah, that's one off. Basically do the same with all 4. Get the other ones off, do this, and then put them on. Last of the rivets on this seat. Oh. When they start spinning, that is that done. Well, one more one more bracket on this seat, and that was it. Hit it with a hammer and it should pop off. Just like that. Ryan, wax it. That's all the brackets off this seat. All we need to do is now get the other seat out the car again, because I put it back in because I ran out of time the other day. This is like a few days later. Yeah, get them brackets off that seat and then literally transfer them onto this. Nut and bolt where the holes are. Done. Let's get the other seat out. Okay, that's some more drilled out with the small drill bit. As you can see, a bit of a pain in the ass because like these are like a lump, you know what I mean, like a pyramid shape almost. So it's hard to get the drill straight. If you had like a punch or something, it'd be a lot easier, but I just have to like wangle it and then smash it in. Something like that anyway. But that's some more full drilled out. I'll put a bigger drill bit now, just like I've done with this one, look, onto that one, and then you just whack them. Well, you cut these. Is there any welds on this? Oh, there's welds there, look. There's a weld there. So whatever welds we've got on it, on both sides there, this side doesn't look like it's got any, same as this one. So yeah, I think it's just literally this front, the rear left one that's welded on the stock Civic seats, not the Type R ones. They're all welded on. That's for this race car. This is grandma's spec. You don't need to weld them, but we're going to weld them anyway. Right, all the brackets are off. Got them all lined up basically. This is the rear, the back left, which goes that way to put it on the right way. Okay, line up the holes, I'm assuming. Put a nut and bolt through, all four. One goes up here. Bosh, we've got two holes to choose from on this one. So we just have to, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put them in these in the car and then see what happens. No, I'll just put them on here, stuff it. We'll see what happens, see if we can fit it in. Look at that. Stick a nut up through there, bolt on top, leave them loose for a minute, get them fitted in the car, bolt them into the car, and then tighten these up. That's the way I reckon we should do it. Let's get the other three on, job done. Hey, look at that. Loosely bolted in. I mean, I've done that one hand tight, but it's still quite tight. And the only one that's a bit dodgy is this one. Basically, we've got two holes. You can either have it further that way or further that way. So I've decided to do furthest and see what happens, see how it fits. But yeah, looks like we're professionals, doesn't it? Let's try and fit it in the car. Guys, got the two fronts in, perfect, they fit fine. But the backs, as you can see, look, they're a little bit too far back. So we need to move. I'm saying that. Oh, I think you can get away with that. Yeah, if we had a bit wonky, could just probably get that bolt in. So that one's okay. I reckon I can get that one in with a little bit of adjustment. But this one is far too far back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that nut and bolt off, put that on the car, and then line up the hole, do a dot underneath, drill a hole, and then bomb on. Master. Check it out, boys. We have Type R seats in the Civic, all fitted. I mean, it's a bit of a fight to get the bolts in because when you pull that up, they all like wonk everywhere. So you've got to like do one loosely, then do the other one loosely. But yeah, you figure it out. But yeah, look, we are in there. See, all slides. You can't really see anything, can you? I'll show you this way. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to get people in the back, Rex and Olivia. Boom. Much better than the old grey stock boys. Handsome. Yeah, let's get the other one done. Matches the mouldy carpet indoors and shifters and stuff like that. Happy day. Let's contest it. Is it comfier than the grey old crusty grandad seats? It's more race seats. Passed. Look what I just found underneath the driver's seat. Previous owner, I'm assuming, because I didn't buy this. Bit of sushi, bit of dairy milk, brownie bites, and some free teacup. Thanks, mate. You never used it because the car's scratched to hell, but I'll throw that in the bin. I'll keep this, throw that in the bin because I don't know how long that's been in here. Getting good at this now, look. Oh, other brackets on to the new seat. Loose again, wang it in the car, tighten everything down, bosh. Job done. We are going to weld this, but Scotty's bought a welder basically for his Subaru Impreza. If you're new to the channel and you don't know what I'm talking about, that's the Skyline, and then Scotty's Scooby's just there, look, an RB5, which is all rusty, so we need to weld it. So he's bought a welder, and we're going to start doing that soon. So like and subscribe to the channel if you like Subarus. But yeah, we're doing Civic seats at the minute. Let's wang this in and see how, and then once he's brought his welder up, we'll take them back out, weld them all up. Job done. There we go, look. God, I need to clean these. But we're in. 2 seats in. I need to tighten this one down because all the brackets are like loose, so I'll get a spanner on that and a socket. But I think it looks handsome with those seats in. Sportier. Matches all the door cards there, so proper. Obviously if I clean these up, they'll look a lot better. But we've got a steam cleaner for when we clean the Skyline seats, the back seats, which we need to do the fronts again because they're a bit filthy because I'm daily in it. So yeah, happy days. That's good. Right, my guys, that is job done. All tightened down. All we need to do is whip them out, give them a weld when we got the welder up here, and that is a complete mission on EP3 seats in a Honda Civic Coupe. I'm not going to clean them now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the carpet out and give that a clean as well. Take the seats out, give them a jet wash, and I think I'm going to dye the carpets black as well as the back seats because we don't like grey, and we still got the grey back seats which looks crusty. But I bought some dye, so I'm going to do that on another video, and a deep clean on the seats and carpet and stuff like that, and the door cards because they're brighter red than that. They are the same colour, I believe. So yeah, job done. That's it for this one, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let me know what you're thinking of the seats, whether you like them, how hard it was. I'd say it's probably about a 7 out of 10. Nah, that's 6, 5. The first one was the hardest because obviously that's learning. Second one was a lot easier. Yeah, just drill out the rivets, grind the welds off, sort the brackets over for the old seats, from the old seats to the new ones, and that's pretty much it. Put them in the car, bolt them in, and then tighten everything down. Simple as that. They do fit, you just need a little bit of massaging, as you say. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Take it easy.